let's talk about how to properly clean your garbage bins, making sure you get that nasty smell out and properly sanitizing. Here are some of the things that you're gonna need. You're gonna need a bristle brush, you're gonna need a sponge, microfiber cloths, and preferably an enzyme cleaner to really help deodorize. But if you don't have that, you can use whatever chemical you prefer to get the smell out. As always, make sure the product has proper dwell time so it can lift and sanitize and do what it's supposed to. The bristle brush will definitely help you loosen up any stuck on food. These brushes work really well for that. And it's also nice to get on the inside of the bin, so it's a little easier to reach the hard to reach places because you're inside. You can't use a pressure washer for this little bin. Make sure you scrub everything down. Then use a sponge to thoroughly wash everything down. Make sure you get all the hard to reach places. Then take a microfiber cloth, wipe everything down, and don't forget to buff it so it looks nice and new. Place down some paper towel and add a few drops of essential oils. There you have it. That is how you properly clean a garbage bin. Remember, you're looking to do 3 things: degreasing, sanitizing, and deodorizing. That's what you need to do when you're cleaning a garbage bin.